Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett. We're in Miami. How great is this? We have a beautiful, fishable boat that you need to check out. This is the Valhalla V-46. This is a fishing machine. What you need to do is step on board with me and see all the details. So, pushing all that performance is quad Mercury 600 Verados V12s. It's gonna push this boat 70 miles an hour. What does it cruise at? Who cares? We got 750 gallons of fuel. Let it ride, baby. Step on board. So much going on in the aft end here. First, we have a bait prep station, and you can measure all those small fry fish here. Got a nice little cup holder, and of course, this is removable. And then we have twin massive live wells back here that are glass top and glass front. Then of course on the port side we have a sideboarding door or tuna door to get the big catch in. And then let's pay attention to the rear facing seat, that classic Viking mezzanine seat, rear facing here. And then we have a second station on this thing. Of course, that's where you're gonna steer, let the captain take control and look for all those fantastic fish. We have rod holders and rocket launchers galore, and I mean galore. So, tackle storage, yes please. How comfortable is this? Look at all this storage area, and it's nicely tucked away, and check out the beautiful stitching and piping on this mezzanine seat. Absolutely breathtaking. So just below the second station, we have a seating capacity of 7 individual seats here in 2 tiers. The front 3 for the captain and 2 mates, and then the 4 seats behind are actually elevated and offset, so everybody has a phenomenal view when we're moving forward. And again, the upholstery, individual seating up here, flip up, flip down bolsters and armrests, really is beautiful. Your captain is going to be very pleased. First of all, check out the windshield up here. Great visibility, the massive hardtop for protection. We have speakers everywhere. Then we have a triple Garmin array. Then of course I have my Mercury controls, I have my helm, and I also have my Mercury skyhook so we can keep this bad boy on station. We also have a bow thruster on this boat. In addition to the great visibility here, unfortunately, the second station is closed here today, but that's really where the captain is going to take control of this ship. This 46 Valhalla is such a bad boy when it comes to fishing. But honestly, my wife is going to love this boat because it really is tricked out for a day in the sun or the sandbar as well. Check out this massive European style lounger, 2-tiered. I get light into the cabin below. I got my cup holders up here. Then forward of that, I have 2 forward facing loungers with storage underneath. And then I have a table up there that I can relax, eat al fresco. It doesn't get any better than this. If you want to spend the night offshore, you can. Look at this massive cabin. It's so well lit, natural light on both the sides and above. And again, I'm 6'1" and I can stand up, no problem in here. Very comfortable forward bed here. Got a TV, you've got 2 burners down here, refrigeration, you got your stereo, you got your air conditioning, and we have a full wet head in here that's so well detailed. Built in New Gretna, New Jersey, Viking and Valhalla Boatworks is the consummate American boat manufacturer. So this beauty is 46 feet, 7 inches long, and she has a massive 13 feet, 4 inches of beam. So she can fish this very hard. But what you need to do is step on board, go see your local dealer, and take this thing for a sea trial to see what she's all about.